Thanks. Heritage traffic, experimental crossing active at Charlie, Heritage. Heritage traffic, 25 Delta Victor, taking the active 28. Heritage traffic, experimental 25 Delta Victor, leaving the pattern to the north, Heritage.
Nice cool day climbing out at 78 knots at 1,300 feet per minute. Snapped a photo over the top of Spring Mountain ski area.
Heritage traffic, experimental turning base 28, Heritage. Heritage traffic, experimental on short final 28, Heritage.
100.
Heritage traffic, experimental clear the active at Bravo, Heritage.
Heritage traffic, Beechcraft Bonanza taking off runway 28, Heritage.